Hi, it's Rich from the garage. Just not doing a lot really because it's winter, but I'm just running the bikes up, starting with the Aprilia and checking everything over. Um, Bit of a check really, just to make sure that everything is okay, as the bikes aren't being run much in the winter really. I'll check things like tyre pressures. And just a general look round, see everything's okay, no oil leaks or anything like that. Tyre wise, I do check the pressures. I usually run the rear at around about 39, 40. I think it's 42 in the book, but anyway. And the front, I usually run about 36 psi. Some people running a bit lower, they say, but obviously the lower they are, the hotter they get quicker and potentially grip a bit more and whatever. But I find that's good for the handling. So yeah, and I think especially these twins, they've got a lot of seals and bearings and all sorts, and the oil settles out, and I think it's a good idea just to give certainly the engine a run, so it sends all the oil around, soaks everything, nothing dries out from seals point of view, and it also keeps the top end of the bike, that's the top end of the cylinders, etc., and valves, etc., really the drivetrain and everything, gearbox and clutch, all moving, lubricated, and it gives it a heat cycle. So I just think it's better for it. Also, you can check if it starts okay, check the battery condition. I check the battery condition here. I have this voltmeter which I've showed before, but I'll show again, and I could flick it on quickly. This has got a lithium ion battery in it, so hence it's 13.1, which is good, and it really does do well, this battery. It holds charged very well. It's been, I think I charged it a couple of weeks ago, and it usually sits around 13.2 to 13.4, which is good. It's 13.1 now, which is still fine, but it's not good to let a lithium battery go flat, particularly in the winter. They hate the cold. You'll find now as I'm starting it, because mine's not a 100% brilliant lithium battery. It's not cheapest, but it isn't the most expensive. And I'll show you, just try and start it. Initially, it doesn't like it because the battery needs a warming up. These lithium batteries need sort of cycling. So I put the lights on for a little bit and then try to start it. We'll see what happens. Well, it started anyway, so that's good. We're charging 13.8, which is good. Just let it tick over, get everything warm up. More in the winter, the cold. Obviously not revving too much initially. Listening for any odd noises. Engine's sounding really good and smooth. Any rust on the discs, etc. No, it's all pretty good. sounding nicely. Down to tick over now, and she's not sounding bad. I've got the garage open because it's a bit stinky. But that'll probably do for the Aprilia. I'll go to the Ducati ST2 now and do the same.